Hello everyone, JoRaSe here, ready to get going on a new Atelier JoRaSe project. And you can see it fully completed right here. And what it is, as you've already read from the title, is a holder for this set of throwing knives. I picked these up quite a while back. I want to say they were included in an unboxing video on the main channel, but I can't entirely verify that without going back through numerous videos, and I don't feel like doing that right now. But nice and shiny, and I've been just keeping them in the little holder here. Would like to get them into something that looks a little bit better display for them, so that's what we've done. And in this video we're going to be working out the model for it in Blender, and then you will notice there are some alterations to it. That's bound to happen before the final product. And in the picture over here, you're seeing the final product as it is right now. So with that out of the way, enjoy the video. Alright everyone, so we're in Blender here. We're going to be making little stand holder things for those throwing knives I showed you a moment ago. And they're going to be real simple. So I'm just going to start building the mesh up and just get things started here. So, going to be kind of like a sword rack, only for throwing knives, obviously. So we'll just kind of start with that for a design, duplicate it and bring it down. Bring this in a little bit, and the same with these. Let me move that only on the axis I want it to be moving on. There we go. If I hide everything else, I can then delete that vertex, unhide everything, go into wireframe mode, grab everything, lower it. Well, no. Object mode. Lower everything down. There we go. And of course, camera needs to get down there as well. There we go. Much better. Merge those two. And this one needs to lift up a little bit. About like that. Give it a decent sized back. I want it to be nice and thick in the back, so that when I'm mounting it, it's actually got something to lock in place. And the same for the bottom. Now over. Connect those two. Put in at least 2 subdivision cuts. Pull these out where it kind of looks like it should be. Let's make sure these are flattened on the x-axis. There we go. Extrude it all up on the Z, like so. Now we're going to fill in these with faces. Just has to be done. Missed grabbing that one, didn't I? Alright, let's come back and catch these. Caught these as well. Done. There's one side. Now to do the other. Starting from the same place. Just do everything we did before again. Now catch these. Missed one. Let's correct that. There we go. Now for these. Done. And done. Let's make sure everything is turned the right way. It is not. So we need to flip the normals, and there we go. I think these could be a little bit higher up, a little bit more space in there, so we'll just add some. We can do that. All right, so that's one of two. Let's go ahead and duplicate. Oh, can't duplicate anything if nothing is selected. So now duplicate, and yes, this will work. One moment, please. Do apologize for that. I had to cough. And I didn't want to potentially blow out someone's audio because of it. So that's how that worked out. Now, I want to take the outer two here, and I'm going to extrude these out about that far. Fill in these faces here and here, there and there. Get a circle, which of course will need to be brought all the way down. So let's do that. See how far it is. That got it back. So I've moved over this way on the X. And now down on the Z, we should be able to get it where we need it. Much better. Rotate 90. One right there, and then one closer to the bottom. I think I'll grab this one again and move it in just a little bit more there. That looks good. Want to offset them on the Z a little bit, so this one over, well, probably there. This one about there. Grab the inverse and hide. And we don't need all of these. I should have reduced the amount of vertices the circle is made from, but I did not, so I'm having to do it now. Not really a problem, it's just you gotta know what you're doing to yourself. So that when you're going further with the model, you have a better understanding of exactly what it should be doing and looking like. Make this much easier on myself if I do it this way instead. Close enough. Hide that one. Delete those. Unhide. Deselect. Hide again. And start connecting. There we go, we're doing it. Just gotta be careful with things. But there's nothing new with that, is there? Best way to ensure that you don't have to redo something, make sure you do it right the first time. We're on the home stretch here. Just a few more faces to put in. One more. There we go, so that's done. That'll need to be fixed. Easily done. Just select the faces that need to be turned the other way around. Flip the normals. Grab the other faces that need to be turned around. And once again, flip the normals. Now select, get top view, extrude over. Make sure to grab these and flatten them on the x-axis using the scale tool. We only want the inner now. Select the inverse, hide the inverse, and we're just going to put the faces back in like we did on the other side. So we'll just start that process up. There we go. Just about there. Few more. All right, we're doing this. We are nearly done with the modeling phase. 2 more faces, or 1 more now, and we are through. Unless easy fix. Grab these. Grab these. Flip those normals. Now we have a issue inside. This should not be a face, and neither should these. Wipe those faces out. And these need to be turned or flipped. Flip those normals, that's done. Same for over here. There we go. The ends need to be finished off. So that's 4. Fill in with a face. Do the same here on the bottom. There, and what happened there? These got wiped out. Replace them. There we go. Alright, so that'll be ready to 3D print now. Get it exported, and that will be the next video you see, is it being printed and finished up. See you in that video. Hey there everyone, just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.